Grow lavender in India. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Lavender can grow well in India, especially in the temperate regions of Jammu and Kashmir. In this video, I am going to share with you some tips for growing lavender. Number 1. Soil. Lavender grows best in well-drained, light sandy loamy soil with pH between 5.8 to 8.3. It can also grow in gravelly soil and in low fertility soil. It is important to amend the soil with sand to improve drainage. It is a good idea to add some compost or other organic material to the soil before planting. Number 2. Sunlight. Lavender needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Number 3. Watering. Once established, lavender is drought tolerant and needs to be watered sparingly. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. Number 4. Pruning. Regular pruning, especially after blooming, helps maintain a compact and bushy shape and stimulate new growth. Number 5. Air circulation. Good air circulation is important for preventing disease. Number 6. Planting. Sow seeds early in September or October in a warm location with a light mix that drains well. Seedlings should germinate in about 2 weeks. Number 7. Propagation. Lavender can be propagated by seeds, rooted cuttings. Lavender is a beautiful and fragrant plant. With a little bit of attention, you can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of lavender in your garden without spending too much time or effort. Lavender is generally considered an easy plant to grow if you choose the right variety and provide it with the right growing conditions. Lavender is a hardy plant that is well adapted to sunny, dry conditions, making it a good choice for gardens. It is resistant to pests and diseases and does not require a lot of watering or fertilization. Lavender grows best in warm, sunny climates with well-draining soil. Lavender prefers dry conditions and does not tolerate excessive moisture or humidity. Provide the plant plenty of sunlight, good drainage and protection from extreme weather conditions. Lavender is a perennial plant. It can come back every year if properly cared for. Lavender can live for several years, producing flowers each summer if it is grown in right conditions. If lavender is not regularly pruned, it may become too woody and less productive. The best time to plant lavender in India is during the monsoon season, which typically runs from June to September. The soil is moist during this time, which can help lavender plants to establish themselves more easily. It is important to avoid planting periods of heavy rain or flooding, as this can lead to waterlogged soil and root rot. In areas with hot summers, it is best to plant lavender in winter when temperatures are cooler and there is less risk of heat stress. Lavender typically blooms in the summer months, usually from June to August. Lavender is drought tolerant, so it does not need a lot of water. Overwatering can be harmful to the plant. Water your lavender sparingly but deeply once a week during the growing season. In the winter, you can reduce watering to once in every 2 or 3 weeks. In the spring, trim back any dead or damaged branches and prune the plant by about a third to encourage new growth. In the fall, trim back the plant again to prevent it from getting too woody. A recommended practice is to include a quantity of compost when planting to improve the growing medium. It is recommended to apply a balanced liquid fertilizer that has been diluted by half of its strength once in every 6 to 7 weeks. Lavender is resistant to pests and diseases. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to fungal diseases. If you notice any pests like aphids or spider mites, you can use insecticidal soap to get rid of them. Growing and caring for lavender with minimal effort is possible by choosing the right variety, planting in well-draining soil, watering sparingly, pruning regularly, protecting from pests and diseases, and harvesting flowers. With these tips, you can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of lavender in your garden with minimal effort. Here are some popular varieties of lavender. Hitcoat, also known as English lavender, grown for its fragrance. Little bottle, variety of English lavender. Betty's Blue, bluish violet blossoms. Lady Anne, grayish green leaves and faded pink flowers. Empress Purple, hybrid lavender has long branches of dark purple flowers. Grosso, hybrid lavender has very dark purple blossoms. Portuguese lavender, fragrant flowers. Lavender is grown in Kashmir, India, where it's used to make lavender oil, medicines, incense sticks, soaps and air fresheners. Some other varieties are Gross Blue, Edelweiss, Fathead, Willow Wale, Lullaby Blue, etc. Lavender will serve as a brilliant air purifier when grown indoors. It repels mosquitoes. Lavender is beneficial for skin health, detoxifies the skin when consumed in herbal teas. Lavender oil is a savior for people who wish to relax their muscles through aromatherapy or massage therapy. Its fragrance is enough to refresh each bone of our bodies and each nerve of our brains. Lavender has immense assistance in treating anxiety, depression and insomnia. With these tips, you can grow lavender successfully in your garden. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Share with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep your green friends happy and well. God bless you and thanks for your time.